Hi, Laura Whitelaw here from laurawhitelawcoaching.com, and in today's video I wanted to focus on a very timely topic given that it's March, actually it's just the start of April, which is tax time for a lot of people around the world. Income taxes are due, I believe, the end of April, or income tax returns rather. And so I know myself in the past I used to procrastinate a lot with getting myself organized for tax time and doing my taxes when things were a lot less complicated and we had a lot less receipts. The last several years, my husband's been running a business as a house painter, so he in particular has mounds of receipts that I have to sift through and sort through and organize and add up, all to get ready to bring to the accountant for tax season to file our income tax returns. And I probably literally have to go through close to 1,000 receipts between painting receipts, hardware store receipts. In any case, I have had the conversation with him to, perhaps if he's going and buying a brush, that maybe he could buy 3 or 4 at the same time rather than one brush. Or if he needs a tray liner, to not just buy one, maybe buy 5 or 10 at a time, just to reduce the number of receipts that I have to go through. Anyway, that's a topic for another time, just one of those sort of frustrations that we have with our significant others from time to time. I love him anyways, and he's very successful in this business, and I support him fully. I just get a little frustrated around income tax time. But in any case, I am very good about when it's time to go through all the receipts and sort everything out, although I do only do it once a year. I'm very good about getting to it. And I know a lot of people procrastinate because it's a big job and it's boring and it's not a whole heck of a lot of fun. But quite a few years ago, I shifted my energy with tapping around income tax time. And now I just go ahead and do it. I don't have to push myself. I don't dread it as much. And so why not make that task easier on you as well, so that you can just fly through the process and get it done and over with, because you know you're going to have to do it anyways. And it's just going to make you feel bad if you just keep putting it off. Okay? So let's start on the karate chop point. Even though it's income tax season and I'm dreading it, I really hate sorting through everything for my income taxes. It's just a big job and it's boring and it makes me anxious. I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though during tax season there's a lot of sorting out I need to do. There's a lot of receipts I have to go through. It's boring. I don't have time for it. It makes me anxious because I wonder how much I'm going to owe. But I choose to let all these negative emotions go and just get her done. Even though tax time fills me with dread, because it's one of those have-to-do tasks that I just don't want to do. It's boring. It fills me with dread. It makes me anxious. But it doesn't have to be that way, and I choose to let go of these negative emotions now. This dread during tax time. I dread tax time. It's such a big chore. It makes me anxious. I find myself procrastinating. I just don't want to do it. Why do I have to do this? And then I wonder how much I'm going to owe at the end of this whole process. And that makes me even more anxious. But what if I'm getting money back? That's exciting. I might actually get some money back. Or not have to pay as much as I'm anticipating. But either way, I have to file a tax return. So I might as well just get her done. And I'll feel better once it's done. I know I'll feel much better once this task is done. And maybe I can make it fun. Maybe I can get the kids involved in sorting through receipts and organizing things into piles. And I can put some fun music on. Because I'm going to have to do it anyways. And it's not a good idea to file a late return. Better to get it done on time. Better not put it off until the last minute. Because it's just going to cause me more stress. But I just don't want to do it. I'm choosing to release these resistant emotions now. I might as well just get it done. I choose to just get my income tax chore done. Get it done and out of the way. And then I don't have to worry about it. Or, if I'm just feeling way too overwhelmed, I can't always pay my accountant to sort through all my receipts for me. There's going to be a cost to that, but it is an option. And if I'm not willing to pay that fee for my accountant to do all the sorting and tallying up for me, then I might as well just go ahead and do it myself. It won't be so bad once I get going. I'll start picking up momentum, and I'll probably get it done quicker than I think. So I choose to just get her done and focus on how good it's going to feel to get it done. Get it all done and out of the way. I'm choosing to release this resistance now. Releasing this resistance around doing my new tax return. So a nice deep breath and let it out. And hopefully feel a little more motivated about tackling that chore. I know it's definitely something I've struggled with in the past and left until the last minute. But here we are, it's the end of March. I still have a full month to go, and I'm all ready to bring everything to the accountant. Only chore left that I have to do is to contact him and make an appointment. So get yourself organized, put on some fun music, and just get it out of the way. You'll feel so much better. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is Laura Whitelaw from LauraWhitelawCoaching.com. Have a terrific day. Thanks very much for watching.